quicker you go, the harder it is. Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be the best cardio of your life. If you clicked on this video, it's because you're trying to burn some calories. Well, guess what? That's what we're gonna do. I got Lily, Michelle, and we're gonna kill it. We're gonna do some cardio. I want you guys to push yourselves hard, okay? Lily, Michelle? All right, we're gonna start with a warm-up. 30 seconds of bunny jumps. This is just to get some blood flow, get our body ready for some good cardio. Remember, don't push yourself too hard in the beginning. This is just a little warm up. Okay, now we're gonna do some high knees. So you're gonna get your knees wide like this. Touch them, let's go. Get our inner adductors a little warmed up. "30 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna jog in place. Super easy. Just jog in place. Nice. When you're doing cardio, you're trying to breathe through your nose. Okay, last one. We're gonna do modified high knees, so this is it for 30 seconds. Warming up those hips. You guys are good, right? This is the warm-up. I'll be a little concerned. Lily, you're not gonna pass out on me? 5 more seconds. Okay, now we're gonna stretch for 1 minute, and then the fun is gonna begin. So we're gonna do a quad stretch. Just grab your leg. You have trouble balancing, find a partner. All right, let's switch. Grab onto the wall, whatever. You got this, Michelle. Okay, we're gonna do hamstrings. Feel the hamstrings. Okay, let's get wide. Stretch those adductors. Oh, this one feels good. Getting the groin. All right, last one. You're gonna have your feet wide, and all you're gonna do is side to side like this. Okay, you guys ready? All right, first one, we got jumping jacks, and we're gonna do it for 30 seconds. Let's go. When you're doing cardio, time just feels longer. Okay, now we're gonna do knees to the face. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pretend you're grabbing the face of someone you hate. You're gonna smash their face to your knee. Let's go. We're gonna do 30 seconds this way, and then 30 seconds the other way. Come on. Do it like you mean it, Michelle. Okay, other side. Let's go. Hang in there, guys. Okay, now we're gonna do high knees. 30 seconds. Let's go. Do it with us. You're gonna make this a little harder. Don't stop and just go. All right, that was good. Now we got boxing punches. We're gonna do 30 seconds going this way, and then 30 seconds going this way. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cardio and boxing, this is in one. I want to see some rotation. Okay, other side. Come on. Five more seconds. Okay, next we got burpees. You guys ready for this? Let's do it. 30 seconds. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna give you a 30-second break. Oh, that was good, huh? Feels good. You guys are doing good so far.
Thank you.
If you guys need longer breaks, you know, it's fine. Pause the video. We'll be right here. 30 seconds, and then we're going to rope skips. You guys doing good for real? Not too bad, huh? Okay. So rope skips, you're gonna pretend you have a jump rope. Let's go. 30 seconds. Five more seconds. Okay, now we got knees to the face again. Let's do it. When you're doing cardio, you gotta control your mind. You gotta tell your body that you can't keep going. You gotta be strong. Okay, other side. With this one, you could keep your core engaged. Get a little ab workout with it. All right, good job. Now we got butt kicks, 30 seconds. Let's do it. All you gotta do is pretend you're kicking your butt with your heels. Okay, good job, guys. Now we got karate kicks. So we're gonna do 30 seconds with one leg, 30 seconds with the other. Yeah. Just kick out in front of you. Okay, we got the other leg. Let's go. Come on, hang in there. 5 more seconds. Good job. Okay, next one is gonna be jump squat. And then after that, we got quick feet. So these are gonna be this could be the hardest minute of this workout, but it's gonna be the end. You guys ready? Let's go. Jump squats, 30 seconds. You wanna land with your toes. Come on, those legs are gonna be on fire. Keep going. Keep pushing. Come on, Michelle. Okay, now we got quick feet, 30 seconds, and we're done. You guys ready? Let's go. Ooh, I know your legs are feeling this. The quicker you go, the harder it is. The key to this is move your hands quick. Your feet are gonna wanna follow. Come on, fight the burn, fight the burn. Once we stop this, that burn's gonna go away. Don't focus on it. We're almost done. Damn. Woo! Damn, that was a good way to end it. I'm breathing hard. Now I know why they usually mute the people that are doing the follow-alongs, because they're probably breathing hard as hell too. Oh man, that was a good one. I wonder how many calories I burned. 300, 200? Whatever, I'm proud of you guys. Proud of you guys. Remember, when you're doing this, you can do this every day if you want. You know, it's a good way to burn calories. Combine this with a good diet, you're gonna start losing a lot of weight. You gotta be consistent. The results are gonna come. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Oh.